Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to take a look at Atomic Wallet. It's been such a long time since we took a look at this program. We're going to be checking out how our account is doing, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from those coins you've earned in other programs. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my Atomic Wallet. And like I say, it has been such a long time since we took a look at this. I actually checked back in my YouTube and it's been over a year since the last time we were looking into Atomic Wallet. Now, obviously, it is, for me, I love this wallet. It holds so many coins, or should I say that it deals with so many coins. You know, and the great thing is obviously like here, you know, you've got a full rundown of all the prices and stuff like that. And also as well, if there is a coin that's not in their list, you can just simply click on it and then add the contract. As long as they're using basically either ERC20 or BEP20 networks, you can add them to your wallet, which is, for me, I think that is absolutely brilliant. Obviously, there's certain networks that are not covered in that. But like I say, I mean, it's over 300 coins or something like that that this wallet actually deals with. And like I say, then you can add other coins and tokens into the wallet as well. So what am I talking about when I'm on about making money from the coins you've already earned from other programs? And don't forget, this is, you know, any program, free programs, whatever. If you've made coins from them and Atomic Wallet has them in their staking list, you can make basically an interest on those coins. And if we drop into staking, now what I love about, another thing I love about Atomic Wallet is they are adding new coins to their listings all the time, into this staking section all the time. So the last time we did a video, which like I say is over a year ago, we had 388 Tron in here. Now we have 467. That is an increase of 79 full coins. Now, for many, that you might think, well, that's not really a lot in over a year, but that's 79 coins doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. All you've got to do is you come in every now and again. It doesn't have to be every day. And all you'll do is you'll click on it. You'll see next to unclaimed rewards a certain amount. So you claim that, claim all, claim, and then you type in your password. Click confirm. And then if we go back in here, and then you'll see that has been added. Now your unclaimed rewards is gone, and then you've got available nearly another coin. The last time I claimed was just a couple of days ago. I'm not sure. I don't think you can claim. Yeah, there's a minimum amount of one. That's what I thought. You basically, it's got to be a full coin. But like I say, I mean, we've got Band Protocol in here, which over a year ago, we definitely haven't earned many on this. We had 23. We've now got nearly 28. So that's like around about five coins that we've earned there. Atomic Wallet's own token, we had 395. You can now see we've got 529. Tezos, it's a bit disappointing with Tezos, is the fact that with Tezos you have to select what's known as a baker. And shortly after I put Tezos into this for staking, the baker, something happened to the baker, and basically I stopped getting rewards. And I've never actually gone out of my way to look up another baker that is worthwhile adding to. So something I must do, and I will do in the near future, so that can start building again. A new coin they've added, and this is absolutely brilliant because BNB is one of my favourite coins. I love BNB. Obviously, we've had programs in the past that deal with BNB. Rollercoin deal with BNB. So any of those, if you're a person that collects BNB, once you've got a certain amount built up, you can put it in here, and then it will start working for you. Rather than just sitting in a wallet and doing nothing, these coins that we're staking, they're actually earning for us. So like I said, okay, what was it? 5 coin from BAN Protocol is not a lot at all. But if it was in a wallet doing nothing, well, that's even less. So whatever you can put into this program, into Atomic Wallet, and it's earning for you, that, it's a win. And like I say, if you've earned those coins through a free program, then even better. Solana, another coin we find in Rollercoin. Again, you can put it in here, and you're going to get 7% interest, on Solana. You're going to get a 5% interest on BNB. This is on the Matic network, Nearcoin. That's 11%. I get 20% on the Atomic Wallet token. No end of coins. I mean, VeChain, that's not a great interest, but it's still something. It's still better than it sitting in your wallet and doing absolutely nothing. So anyway, BNB coin, we are currently not staking this. So what we're going to do is I think we can stake that amount. I'm not sure. I might be wrong. So yeah, so the minimum is 1 again. So I wasn't sure. That's the first time I've even looked at it. So I wasn't sure. But the next time we get up to 1, I will definitely be staking that. If we click on the A as well, if we click here, you can actually see all of the assets in your wallet or in my wallet and exactly what they come to. You can highlight them. So that's BNB. We've got $75 in that. That's AWC. You can see we've got 203 in that. Other assets, 395. I'm not sure. That might be Tezos. No. Yeah, it might be Tezos. Yeah, I think that is. 352. There you go. So we got $30. That's your total, obviously. 352. We got $29 in TRX, and we got $34 in BAN Protocol. And there he says, look, he says 28.46 of BAN. So obviously, what we're seeing in staking is not actually our total amount. But there you go. You got $34 in BAN. And the BAN and TRX, BNB, and obviously AWC, I got that for actually investing in the wallet. So if you go to, I think is it settings? Yeah, if you go in here, what you do, basically you can buy X amount of AWC tokens, and depending on how many you hold in your wallet, you accrue more interest. And the cool thing is when we first started this off, right, I invested X amount in here, and it said I had 199 coins required before I got to platinum. I now only have to wait for 69. So, it's actually not going to be far or too long before we are earning that full 1% cash back in the Platinum membership. And the other thing as well, which I will mention for those of you that are interested, is I recently read that BNB is actually one of the, since the downturn of crypto, like the big downturn that we're essentially all experiencing right across pretty much most tokens, BNB is one of the few coin stroke tokens that is actually starting to basically come back in a good way. So a lot of coins are coming back, but very slowly. BNB is actually coming back in quite, you know, in a slightly increased way. So that is really good as well for BNB. And obviously, like I say, if you get your coins from wherever into your Atomic wallet, you are going to be earning that 5%, I think it was, on your BNB. And for me, it is really worthwhile. Like I said, it's a great thing. You can just put them in here. You can, you know, just leave them there. You're not really required to do anything apart from every, say, once a week or something like that. Come in, click on it, claim your unclaimed rewards. So we've got what's that, 8 million there. So we can claim that. So we claim that again. It's the same process. Whatever coin you're doing, just type in your password and then confirm, as long as I've typed in the right password. Yes, there you go. And then we go back, set it, no, sorry, staking. And then if we go to this one, so we've got 2 full coins there, so we can stake that, stake all. I just click stake all as a habit, but it's only going to actually take the full coins, I believe. And then back to staking, and then you can see there's 0. And then you got that, and then you got that. Sometimes if it doesn't quite look right here, like things haven't changed, if you go back to wallet and then you click this refresh button, then go back to staking, there you go. See, that was at 7.0, it's now at 7.8. So 0.70 is that, it's now at 0.78. So that's what I'm saying. If it doesn't quite look right, just go back, click that refresh, and then you'll come back into staking, and you should see the change in the coins, just to make sure that you have claimed those rewards correctly. Okay, so that is all I wanted to share with you. Atomic Wallet is completely free. Just go and download it. I will put a link to their website in the description. I will also put a link to my playlist in the description also, so go and check them out. And if you can smash that like button, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So you guys have a great day, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.